everyone, it's Hanny again with another junk journal embellishment challenge, and the prompt is elephant. Yeah. And I'm going to make inches. What was I thinking? An elephant on an inchie. Oh, well, I thought I'd never find an elephant that small. Well, I searched and I searched and I searched and I couldn't find anything, and I thought, oh, we have in the Netherlands we have a brand called Jumbo in Dutch, Jumbo, and that's an elephant, and their logo is an elephant, and they have well, they make jigsaw puzzles and other games, but also playing cards. So I thought, hey, I have playing cards, and I found a few elephants on that. That's Jumbo and that's Jumbo. And when I was looking in my what is it? Well, tray with all kinds of cards, I found this one too. And these are little playing cards with little elephants on it, and this one, and this one, and the word elephant. So I like that. And then I was looking, I had domino stones, little playing thingies. Well, that was an elephant too. So I have a few elephants. And I found this one, and I thought, well, I don't know if that is an inchie, but I have my little inchie frame, and it's an inch. Well, I thought an inch. Yeah, an inch. It's an inch and a little bit. And this is an inch. Yeah, it's an inch by an inch. And this is my inchie, of course, so I can look if they fit, and they fit. So I thought, well, maybe I could cut these out and glue little elephants behind it. There still are inches. So, well, I don't know how big here. Oh, that's just big enough. The thing itself, like that, because it's very thick. And I don't know if I can peel it off. Oh yeah, I can. I hope. Let's try. Yeah, I can peel it off. It's still very thick, but maybe I can peel another layer off. Well, I don't know if I can. Yeah, I can. So. That's one elephant. An inchie, and I could do this one, and I could one piece of that. I think I'm going to do that. Just cutting inches from these little elephants, and maybe this thing too. And the word. Well, let's try. Let's try. I think I'm going to speed this one up because there's a lot of cutting. I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different elephants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I have to cut one out, or maybe I just glue the word elephant on this. Well, let's start.